If I write my A vector as 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap. Now what I mean by this is the value of Ax is 2, the magnitude, Ay is 3 and Az is 7. And if I take B vector as minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. Now what have I done? I have put a number here with a negative sign. That means it is talking about the direction of B vector along the I-axis, the x-axis, the j-axis and the k-axis. Now generally x, y and z, but in physics what happens, we can also call it as the ijk axis also. So these two terminologies are generally juggled, but at your stage, we always call it as x, y and z, so I, j and k cap. And C vector is equal to 1 I cap, let's say minus 11 k cap. So you can see that I don't have a j cap here. So how are we going to solve this? Simple. We have to find the resultant. It is going to be nothing but A vector plus B vector plus C vector. So just as we did in that formula, we are going to add all these values that are there along the axis that is given. So all the I caps are added together, all the j caps together and all the k caps together. Now you have to be very careful. That is the reason why I have taken this example that is there. Now why I told you have to be careful is, if you see, I have got minus 2, minus 4, minus 11 and there is nothing for j here. J is empty. So in this case, you have to write it along with the sign. So when I'm writing, let's say for I cap, the addition will be 2 minus 2 plus 1 I cap plus, there is 3 plus 1, the coefficient is 1 here since nothing is written, and since in the last vector, that is C vector, we don't have j, I will simply write it as 0 times j cap plus, I have got k cap is 7 minus 4 minus 11 times k cap. So you can see, even if you have to find the resultant here, it is easy analytically because you're just adding the coefficients that are there or the magnitudes along with their sign. We can't always rely on geometry because when you look at B vector like this, 2i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap, or even if we took 2 dimension, minus 2i cap plus j cap, it is difficult to draw it or difficult to picturize it. It comes into a different quadrant and then you will have to find how to add it. So in order to avoid that part of it with the geometry and with the triangular law where you can't plug in the values directly, we will go ahead and use this analytical method. So the answer that we are going to get towards the end for this is, now here it is simple, 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled, so I'll have I cap, 3 plus 1 is 4 j cap, and this is going to be 7 minus 15 k cap, which we will write like this. So the resultant vector is equal to I cap plus 4j cap minus 8k cap. Now since we have r vector, can we go ahead and find r cap? So the understanding becomes complete. Now what is r cap? Is nothing but r vector by the magnitude of r vector. So let's go ahead and find the magnitude of r vector. It will be nothing but root of, let's say, rx square plus ry square plus rz square. So we will write it like that itself. I will have this as rx I cap plus ry j cap plus ry k cap, this divided by the magnitude that is there, which is this stuff. Now, if I write my expression for r vector, I found it to be I cap plus 4j cap minus 8 k cap. The magnitudes that are there. So let us define them. Rx is equal to 1, Ry is equal to 4, and Rz is equal to minus 8. So when we have to find the magnitude, we will write the entire term with the symbol itself. So it is going to be root of 1 square plus 4 square plus, open the bracket, minus 8, close the bracket, whole square. So the magnitude of this R vector is going to be root of 1 plus 16 plus 64, which is nothing but root of 81, which is equal to 9. So we can go ahead and substitute in this expression, and we can write R cap is equal to R vector by modulus of R vector, which is nothing but I cap plus 4j cap minus 8k cap by 9, or we can even write it like this: 1 by 9 I cap plus 4 by 9 j cap minus 8 by 9 k cap. Now in case we could reduce this by cancelling the terms, writing it like this would be beneficial.